cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. Today I'm going to make a steamed chicken, yeah? I'll be using a free-range chicken here. Now, if you order this dish outside in a restaurant, very easily it's going to cost you about 50 ringgit Malaysia lah, for half of the chicken, yeah? For half of the chicken. It's very expensive right now. Even when I bought this chicken from the wet market, I actually paid about 51, 52, yeah, for the whole chicken, which is about maybe slightly more than 2 kg. This is half of it. So my cost is already about 20 or 20 plus a little bit. So food is getting more and more expensive these days. Perhaps it's easiest for us to just buy and cook at home. Now, this dish is super easy but super flavorful, because in the end, you're not only going to get the chicken, which is the steamed chicken, which is my daughter's, my 7-year-old daughter most favorite comfort food. And also you're going to have a lot of chicken soup that comes together. All right, so let me quickly show you how I'm going to do it. Of course, you wash the chicken, and also you cut the chicken into bigger chunks, yeah? And you, of course, put on the steaming plate. And I'm going to put some ginger on top. I'm going to save the rest of the ginger slices to make fried ginger. I feel like eating some fried ginger tonight. So I'm going to have a combination between fresh and also fried ginger later. All right, so after the ginger, I'm going to put in a bit of fine salt. I'm going to add in some of my Cooking Apa chicken stock powder. This is optional. Those who have it, you can put it in. It's going to enhance the umami flavor of your steamed chicken, especially the chicken stock later, yeah? I do prefer to use free-range chicken to steam chicken, because later the soup that comes out, wow, it's going to taste so much better. For those who don't mind taking alcohol, of course, now this is the time when you can add in the Shaoxing wine. I'm going to put a bit more. And like I mentioned earlier, I will prefer to have a bit more soup. So I will add some filtered water, so that later we are going to have more soup, yeah? Right, a bit more. Oh, I can hear the beep beep sound of my steamer. Now I can send this to my steamer. So first of all, you need to preheat your steamer to minimum 100 degrees Celsius and above. Then slowly we put in the chicken in the middle. And we shall let it steam for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Then it is done. That's how simple it is. Next thing, I'm going to pan fry the ginger. Put a little bit more oil here. I don't mind putting in the ginger even when the oil is still cold, yeah? So that you can actually raise the heat slowly together. So you do need to keep on stirring using a medium heat. Yeah, don't use too high heat on this. Later, this oil you can also use it to fry veggie if you like, because it now becomes ginger oil. Right, so you keep on sauteing the ginger until it becomes brown. Yeah. Don't use too high heat. If you use too high heat, it will actually become too dark. This is after about 1-2 minutes. You can start seeing the ginger started to brown already. I've tuned down the fire a little bit to low fire right now. Just trying to get even nicer golden brown color for the ginger. And while I'm stirring, I can actually feel the ginger getting crispier and crispier. So cooking is all about what you see and what you feel. So all that will help, yeah? It's getting crispier very soon. I think it should be ready in another 1-2 minutes. Alright, this is after approximately about 4 to 5 minutes under medium-low heat. To me, good enough. I can feel it's very crispy right now. Right, so I'm going to set this aside. And perhaps I will separate the oil. If not, the oil will continue cook through the ginger. Alright, here's my golden brown fried ginger without the oil. Yeah? If you put the oil together here, you will continue cooking. Yeah? It will become too dark later. So this is just nice for me. A bit of yellowish and golden brown. Alright, this is the ginger oil. You don't waste it. We make it into a simple sauce. Add in some light soya sauce. Done. This will be a very nice dipping sauce for your chicken as well. I have decided to add one more thing into the dipping sauce. Chili padi. Don't leave home without it. Optional. Alright, this is after 20 minutes. I'm going to open this. Wow. Let me zoom in for you. Can you see how beautiful it is? Look at, we have the nice, beautiful ginger chicken and also the golden chicken broth. Alright, here's the beautiful chicken, not done yet. We still have our fried ginger. I want to put the fried ginger on top. Oh, this is going to taste so good. I'm a ginger garlic person. Right, and this is our ginger sauce, yeah? Ginger sauce and light soya sauce. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page or click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.